And you are blessed with how many kids?
I want to thank you for being supportive in all my dreams. And syempre for naiyak ako.
Okay.
Alex! Atulawan niyo ako!
Pauwi. Pauwi. Okay guys, ito na ang chikahan natin dito sa Biglo Beauty Bar! Kasi nga, na-miss ko tong taong to. So, ang dami namin pinagdaanan before. So, check natin ngayon paano natin na gagawa ng konting chikahan ay eksena. At paano niya ng pangasawa, yung napakagwapong asawa niya ngayon na supposed to be dati. Pagpupunta ng punchline yon sa comedy bar, kami naman yung pinupuntahan, hindi siya. What? So, may kalandian talaga. So, ito na. Huwag natin patagalin. Para magkaalaman na tawagin natin, of course, si Mr. and Mrs. Manala! Okay, so we have Ella B and Shane! Ayan. Welcome. Just you say hi to my followers and subscribers.
Hi to the followers of Miss Donita.
Ayan, and Shane. Hi. Yan. Sobra. Hindi kasi pag mga lalaki, ano lang yan, yung anong tawag daw, yung less lang yung mga talk nila. Hindi siya masyado nagsasalita talaga. Tsaka, si Shane is from US talaga. You were born here?
Yeah.
You were born and raised here. Okay. Si Ella B kasi, ano lang yan, napulot niya. Dito na napaliguan niya lang sa Amerika, kaya medyo nag-English na rin siya. Pero hindi talaga marunong mag-English to. Ang alam lang nito, Torete. Pero ito na nga, wala natin patagalin to. Ayan.
Yes.
Kailan ba unang nag-meet si Mr. and Mrs. Manalang?
We met in the Philippines.
Excuse me, because he is born citizen of the United States of America. We should speak in English for him to, comprehend. That's right. Okay, when was the first time that you met?
We met in the embassy.
Oh? Totoo ba? Yung part diskuhan, embassy! Akala ko embassy of America. Sa embassy. Sa ano to? Saan to? Sa ano?
Sa the port.
The port, embassy. Oo nga. Uso-uso pa yung party-party kasi di Valkyrie, mga gano'n dati. Embassy. Doon kayo nag-meet. Okay, so party, hindi ko alam na party girl ka.
Hindi naman ako talaga party girl.
Hindi talaga siya party girl. I know her. Hindi talaga. So that time, nagkataon lang.
Oo, nagkataon may party.
And who did the first move or magpakilala?
Siyempre siya.
Eh, bali kung may kalandian ka. Siya.
Oo, siya.
So he moved you.
Yeah.
Ginalaw ka niya. Nilapitan ka niya.
Oo, nilapitan niya.
Kasi that time naman, kidding aside, no? That time na magkakilala kami ni Ella B, she was really gorgeous, voluptuous. If I'm not mistaken, am I right? Yeah, voluptuous from the root word bola. Kasi hindi voluptuous si Ella B, ibig sabihin magandang medyo malaman. May mga guys kasi, eto tandaan nyo ha, hindi lahat ng lalaki gusto yung sobrang sexy, gano'n. Hindi, may mga lalaki na gusto nila yung malaman yung babaeng sexy. May korte pero malaman. Am I right? Oh, ganun siya.
Ganun na itindihan kanya.
Oh, no, you understand Tagalog, right?
That part.
Oh.
That part.
That part because there's kasi may mga hands gesture. That part yun ng mga
Easy.
Si Ella B palatawa talaga yan noon pa. Gan talaga siya pa magkasama kami. Anyways, so nilapitan mo, you approach her.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Parang
You're drunk, right?
You were drunk. Oh, wow. Oy, mag-asawa na kayo. Okay lang naman yun. Latataon na lang.
Hindi naman pakit ang introduction.
No. It's at least you're true. Di ba? You're being honest and I like that. Di ba? Di ba? Malandi. Hindi. She was drunk that time.
Yeah.
You approached her.
I was too, so.
Okay.
That was okay.
But, wait. No, when the time that you approach her, she gives, ano ba to? Oh my God. Woo! I will When you approach her, she approach you back. Right? Pero ano pa, just meeting only, okay?
Just dancing,
Yeah,
right?
dancing. Dancing.
Dancer ako eh.
So, from the very first time that you met each other, you already try to make a connection, or I mean, you always want to, you know. Ang dali na wala yung utak ko. I am. Okay. So, you always try to, what you call this? Try to say hello, hi to her, something like that.
Yeah, we try to
Always.
call each other, talk.
You
Long
always.
distance, you mean, or?
Kailangan niya.
Mali yung sagot niya.
Anong sinabi niya ba?
We're
did you
talking
say?
about, like, when, or during the, we're dating, or?
Yeah, you
when
always.
first met?
Yeah, after that first meeting, there's a second meeting, third meeting,
Yeah.
right?
Hindi
We
abase.
were dating long distance, like, I was here and she was there, always.
Oh, okay. From the first time that you met, when was the second time that you saw her?
Oh, in the Philippines, like.
In the Philippines also.
Like
Because after that meeting, you go back here in the United States? No.
Yeah, we did. I was there for a few weeks, and then
And then here.
her shows here. She had shows.
Nag-show ka dito?
Yeah, I'm always with Rachel Angro that time, or
Okay.
Christian Bautista.
Kasi Viva artist ka nga
Fred
pala.
Aguilar, oo.
Yes,
Jake
oo.
Uno.
So that's, okay. And during the time na she was here, that's the time you get together closer.
Yeah.
Get
Okay.
closer.
And your intention for her is really authentic.
Yeah.
Do you really like her that time?
Of course.
But there's a lot of beautiful girls in the Philippines. I don't want to offend her, but there's a lot of beautiful girls in the Philippines, sexy and beautiful, and you know, genius, educated. Oh, hindi. Graduate po si Ella B. FYI, graduate po siya. Ayan. So, niloloko ko lang po ito, pero matalino po itong taong to. So, on the first time that you saw her, you didn't try to get your eyes on her anymore.
It was love at first sight.
Mukhang may minatamis dyan. Oh my God, salamat first time. Alam nyo, bibihira kasi yung ganun eh. You know, bibihira. Out of 101 only. You know what I mean? Out of 100, there's only one.
Yeah.
So, it's bibihira. So, it's really seldom. Tama ba ako? Right. So, I'm so happy for you and for her. And I think,
Ano?
you look good together. And, tigilan natin to. Okay, what do you like her the most? The most.
She's funny sometimes.
She's funny sometimes. Oo, kasi nga, she used to be with us in a comedy bar.
Yeah.
So, she was trained very well.
From you?
Yeah, from us. You know, what she's doing to you, we trained her. Physically, what do you like her?
Her smile.
Alam mo yung lip gloss talaga nagpanalo. Pero siya naman, ano nagustuhan mo sa kanya?
Kasi dati kalbo siya, di ba?
Yeah, oo.
So, na-attract ko sa kanya kasi kalbo siya.
Tingin mo sa ulo niya, kala mo
Hindi nga, syempre physically, no? Find him very
Yes, attractive. Oo.
Tsaka mahilig ako sa mga macho.
Yeah, yung mga dito. Oo.
Oo, yung mga ganun.
Yes, I know. At saka hindi, to be honest,
Hindi ka ba convinced?
hindi, gwapo siya. Gwapo siya, guys, sa personal talaga. I think I like him and sa kanya smile daw sa'yo eh. Sa kanya.
Yung ilong niya, mahilig ako sa matangos ilong.
Oh my God! Kaya pala iba tingin mo sa akin noon. How many years you're already married?
14 years.
14 years already. Wow! Palakpak tayo dyan. Congratulations for that 14 years and more years to come. And you are blessed with how many kids?
4 kids.
4 kids. 4 na po pero fresh pa rin, di ba?
Already.
Nakita ko yung mga anak nila at ang gagwapo at maganda, kamukha niya. Karamihan talaga morena. So yung skin complexion mo talaga parang, are you whole Filipino, no? Filipino ka talaga? 100%. I thought you have a Mexican blood or something like that. Because of your features.
Yeah.
Is there a time that you together, there's a, what, yeah, okay. What was the very, what you call this, very hardest thing that comes along in your life that you almost want to break up? Yeah, something like. What was that?
So far, wala pa.
So far, wala.
Confident ako eh.
Talaga? Really? Is that true?
Well, yeah.
Okay, and in the 14 years that you've been together, you didn't even try to fight?
Fight, yeah.
No, I mean, fight hard that
fight hard.
that maybe, you know, can lead to separation, something like that. No?
Not that far.
Not that far. Have you tried to maliwa? Left turn?
Kumaliwa. Ano antay kaya mo pa?
Have you tried to left turn to other girls?
Uy, actually, second girlfriend niya ako.
That time na nagkakilala kayo?
Oo.
Talaga?
Kaka-break up lang niya dun sa high school.
Long time girlfriend?
Oo. And then nakilala ko siya.
Saan? Dito?
Sa Philippines nga.
Hindi, yung long time girlfriend niya dito?
Dito, Phil-Am.
Okay.
Oo. And then, ako yung naging second girlfriend lang.
I wanna make these things clear. Naging kayo na hindi pa sila hiwalay nung una niya?
Hindi, hiwalay na. Broken hearted siya nung pumunta sa
Sino nakipaghiwalay?
Siya.
Doon sa babae?
Oo.
Dahil sa'yo?
Hindi, kasi nag-cheat yung girl sa kanya.
Okay, there you go. So, nag-cheat yung girl.
Napunta sa akin.
So, ikaw?
Ako yung nagmana ng
Bili mo kay friend. I like it. Natubitok na kasi sa'yo. She is your savior.
Yeah.
I see beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways.
Sana all.
Oh my God!
He's also my savior.
Yeah, because you know what? She,
Maraming utang.
she used to, she works hard, really hard in the Philippines. You know what she's doing, you know, to the fiestas and everything, do some guestings, and she would just earn something like that, just exact for the family. You know what I mean? You really saved my friend. But she's a really hardworking person. I know her.
Super.
So, eto, may may konti tayong mga fast na mga questions. Sino, maintindihan niya kaya? Sino, naintindihan mo? You understand?
A little bit.
Sino ang mainitin ng ulo sa inyo? Ikaw. Sino ang siloso at silosa? Ikaw din.
Lahat ako yun.
Sinong burara?
What's
Burara. Yung parang when you enter the room. Hindi, when you enter the room, burara! 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 Burara, when you close, you just put it anywhere, something like
that's
that.
you.
Pareho.
Okay. Sino mas love ng mga bata? Yung saan sila mas daddy or mommy?
Sa kanya.
Daddy? Talaga, mas sa kanya.
Kasi ako eh.
Sino ang madalas nagyayaya?
Kumain.
Who always inviting? Sino nga makapagtirahan? Ano pa nga ba yun? Magkasama naman na sila. So you're always hot. Pero sino pinakamasipag sa inyo?
Siya.
Pareho naman kayo nag-work kasi
pareho
talaga. Si Shane, he is
Physician assistant. Hindi siya nag-MD, hindi natuloy. He was supposed to go in the med school na nakilala niya ako, kaya nag-PA na lang siya.
ikaw sumira ng pangarap niya. So she distracted your,
He was actually
your dream. My God, you better love her now. As a friend, yeah, you know, he's always trying to put you up. Like, you know what? He's very genius. He's really like this. He's very handsome. He's very big. Sabi yung magustuhan to kung ano, diba? Bakla ka. Is that true?
Nakakaya ka, Perlin.
What? Bakit ang may mga papatiran din ng mga baka maingit pa nga yan. Siguro mga jutes lang siguro. Mga jutes lang yung mga jowa nila. You know jutes? Okay, jutes yung when you're in the ocean, here is my last question for you guys. Maybe what do you want to say to your husband now?
Sorry for spending your money.
Ano nga?
Hindi, joke.
Okay.
Hindi, I wanna thank you for being supportive in all my dreams. And, syempre, for... Naiyak ako.
Oh my God, don't cry! Don't cry!
Believing in me, and I never imagined that my life is more happy, more I just thank God that I found my soulmate.
Oh my God. Ano ba I love you dyan?
I love you.
Oh my gosh. She's very sincere when she says that, you know, she's very thankful because you know what she does
Yes, oo.
before, you know, in the Philippines.
In show business.
You know, it's really hard to find a person that will, you know, keep her and take care of that kind of, usually the notion of those, you know, with that work, sometimes they tell that, oh my God, she's a sexy star before, something like that, you know, people will look at her that way, but you look at her the other way around. So she's very thankful about that, and I'm happy that you take good care of my good friend. Yeah. Okay. Happy ako sa'yo, friend. Sana nandun ako nung nag-party kayo. Malay mo siya yung... Malay mo sa akin siya napunta.
Kasi akala nila pag showbiz ka,
exactly.
Yung ang yaman-yaman mo
kumita
na.
ka na malaki.
Pero hindi nila alam yung iba, daming utang, diba?
Oo, ako, may gano'n, diba? Hindi na maiiwasan yun.
Hindi na maiiwasan, pero it's really hard kasi pag hindi ka talaga made to be a star.
Hindi, yun yung sinasabi ko nga na usually, diba, mahirap. Hindi kasi sasabihin ng iba kasi na parang pag artista ka na marami ka ng pera, sikat ka na. Hindi po, kasi nga, sabi ko, hindi po kami yung mga star. Mga star, diba? Sila Regine, ganyan, diba? Sila Marian, diba? And you, what would you like to say to your wife?
Proud of everything. Of the Biglo and being the best mother to our kids and wife and your hard work and
Huwag tumawa.
I'll always be here for you, to support you. And love you.
Parang ako nalibugan. I feel hot. Pero hindi. Ella B, maraming salamat. Oo. Actually talaga, supportan po natin itong V-Glow Beauty Bar. Dito po yan sa Amerika, no? Sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino at sa mga Pilipino may kaibigan din na ibang lahi, di ba? So, sabihin niyo po, i-try niyo pumunta dito. Yeah, would you like to invite them to your weight loss program?
We have medical weight loss. If you want to lose a few pounds or for energy, we have B12 shots and vitamin shots and IV therapy as well.
Sarap pakinggan mo. Yeah, she's hot. Oh yeah, baby, you like it, baby, hot. So, ayan po yung clinic nila. Makikita nyo po sa ilalim. So, punta po kayo para malaman nyo po. Of course, ang V-Glow Beauty Bar, open na po siya, pero mag-open po ng ang ating opening talaga soon.
Soon, no?
Oo. So, ang tabayan niyo po, ipabusin naman po, of course, ni Ella V sa kanyang mga social media accounts at ng Viglow social media accounts. Ayan. So, once again, Ella V, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nag-reminisce na po kami kasi talaga magkatama kami noon pa nito. Marami kaming mga pinagdaanan nito. Sa hirap at ginhawa, magkakilala pa rin kami until now. At siya, kahit na ganito na yung sitwasyon niya, ito na yung estado niya sa buhay, nasa Amerika na, masaya na sa pamilya, maayos yung business, ay hindi pa rin po siya nagbabago. So, ganun lang po, take natin yung chance na parang, ang tao kasi pag once magaling ka naman talaga makisama sa kapwa at wala kang naapakan, at the same time, hardworking ka, masipag ka, hindi ka maarte, mararating nyo rin po yung mga ganito. At kung ano narating niya, maraming mas mga makakarating pa sa atin. So, ganun lang po, importante magsikap tayo sa araw-araw.
Correct.
Tama?
Tama. At syempre, in addition to that,
Yeah.
we want to make you beautiful and affordable.
Yes.
Yun naman yung importante. At saka syempre, yung products namin, I guarantee na they will love it.
Okay, so invite mo sila once again.
Yeah, once again, I'm inviting everybody to please visit us here in Viglow Beauty Bar, here in 4340 Redondo Beach Boulevard, Torrance, and Costa Mesa, 1525 Mesa Verde Drive, East Suite 113 in Costa Mesa.
Ayan. Okay. So, once again, thank you so much, Ella V.
Yes,
Ella Villanueva, manalang na siya ngayon. Ayan. And of course, sa ating si Shane. Thank you so much, baby. And I hope that I can be your third girlfriend. Just kidding. So, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And ulit namin sa inyo, yung mga tag-US natin na sa California, punta na po kayo dito, ha? So, thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to hit and please don't forget to share and like the video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para ma-update ko kayo sa mga video na ginagawa. At syempre, maraming salamat sa ating Viva Ate! Ayan, na dati talaga ganun lang yung ginagawa, pero ngayon iba na ang buhay na dito sa Amerika. So, congratulations! I'm so happy kung ano yung narating mo ngayon. God bless you more, friend. Kasi deserve mo talaga yan. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Ayan. At of course, thank you once again. Thank you. Thank you, everyone! See you again next time!